In this video, I will show you some of the best free AI tools for video generation in 2026. So we'll look at how they work, what the free plans includes, and how to create your first AI video. But before we start, you'll need to know that a completely unlimited free AI video generator is rare. Most tools use credits, daily limits, or feature restrictions. So many free plans add watermarks. So you must choose the tools carefully if you want like usable videos for YouTube. And the tools below, basically, or that we are going to mention, are actually usable on free plans, but each of them has its limitations. So you'll have to keep that in mind. So the first one that we're going to talk about is CapCut AI Video Generator. Open any browser and type CapCut. We'll need to go to the CapCut website. You can even add AI video generator to take you exactly where you want to be. Make sure to log in into an account, as example. Click on try online. Make sure to log in into an account if you want to. It's very better, especially if you want to keep the data of your videos that you're going to create. So normally, you can create a video using AI. So as you can see here, you have the AI video maker that you can use, and you can just enter your ideas or paste a script right here. Choose the style, change the voice, and of course, you can choose duration, aspect ratio, and you can create your video. The free plan will let you export videos without a watermark, which makes it very useful for social media and YouTube videos. So this is one of the tools that you can use. So the second tool that I'm going to tell you about, it uses first of all just a free trial. You can use the free trial for 30 days for free. You will not have to pay, which is basically Canva. So you can go to canva.com and you do have here, once you're logged in, at the middle, your designs, templates, and Canva AI. If you click on Canva AI, you'll be able to get your trial example for free for 1 month, and you'll be able to use it. So once you click on Canva AI, you can just go again and write here your idea, and it will bring it to life using AI or using a video. You can add an image for reference, design, documents, and of course to generate, as you can see here, a video clip. So for Canva AI, it can create all of those, but for video, you will need a plan. But as I said, you can try it for free for 30 days. So it's on the free trial, so it's basically free. Of course, Canva also can generate like video clips from text prompts, generate scripts, create marketing videos. The free plan or the free trial will allow you to generate as much as you want because it's a free trial, but make sure to cancel this before the deadline so you don't get charged on your card. And of course, you'll be able to export the videos without the watermark since you're paying as well. So one of the other tools are Windows AI. So you can go and open new tab, type Windows AI. So this tool will let you, as an example, create some AI focused or AI avatar videos. You can type basically a script to generate a video where an AI presenter reads your content that you're going to type. So just go here and log in into an account, as example. I already created an account before. I already used this like website before. So as I said, here you can type a script and generate a video where an AI presenter basically read your script or read your content. So the feature will include like AI avatar, like example, as you can see, this one, and it will read basically what you type or what you talk about. So as you can see, like this one, I do have here one. So it will read basically what you type it. So the feature will include AI avatars, text to speech, and video templates. And this is commonly used for presentations, tutorials, explainer videos that adds basically the camera to the video, like someone's talking in the video. So other than that, there is the Luma Dream Machine. So you may have already noticed that a lot of these AI videos generators are not the greatest because, as I said, it's free. If it's free, it has limitation. It's not the greatest. But if you go with the paid plans of, or if you're trying to pay, I would advise, I guess, for Video 3. It's the best out there. for now. Uh, you may say this video, or you may watch this video after 1 year or two. It may be there's something much better than Veo 3, but at the moment, I guess in my opinion, it's the best. So here we have the Luma AI, and this will basically focus on text to video generation. You can describe a scene, and the AI will generate a short animated video. The free version typically provides limited generation per day, but the quality can be very realistic. So other than the Luma AI, there is the Flux Note, which is the last one that I'm going to mention today. So Flux Note AI, a video creator. So this one, or this tool, is designed for short form videos. You can generate complete videos, including scripts, voiceovers, captions, and stock footage. So the free plan allows a few videos per month without a watermark, making it basically useful for testing AI video creation. So as you can see, if you go to the pricing here, you'll find that you'll get 300 welcome credits, and yeah. So it uses like Link 2.60. So just write your scripts here, click on start, and it will create you the video. So yeah, those are the tools that I'm going to, I know that you can create free videos on with some limitations. So if you want to use any of these tools, just enter a prompt or script here in the chat, choose a template or style, add any like reference images or something like that, and generate the video. So download and export the final video, and you should be good to go. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.